Hey guys, we received this coiled USB-C to USB-C cable. So they are 3 feet 2 pack, fast charging cable for the car, 100 watt PD 3.1 Type C code. So it is good for the iPhones or the Android or AirPad or anything. As you can see, there are coiled caps and USB-C to USB-C, nice quality. So coiled cable will help to restore its strength, take less space, but you can stretch it whenever you want the extra length. And they are a nice thing as well. So these are the high quality ones as a 240 watt, and I can also use to charge the phones with it. So you can see like I just put in the cable and from the sides is good and non-breakable stuff start charging pretty quick and fast charging that I can see. So basically a very nice cables that you can use in the car or in your home, whatever the way you want